So yeah, what's up people? It's been a while since I've made a video on this channel, but I thought I'd get a little bit into this NFT gaming, crypto gaming, whatever you want to call it. So here I'm on CryptoCars. I've been invested in this for almost a month now. I think I'll make a video on my earnings after I hit a month. But as you can see, I have 4 cars currently. I actually just bought this 4th car because what I'm going to do, I'm going to fuse it with another car to create a legendary. I'm going to fuse this car with my first one, and yeah, we'll also see what that does with the repair, because my repair just renewed, or whatever you want to call it. And so I want to see, when I fuse these two together, will I still have to repair it after, or what happens? I don't know, but we'll see. So okay, let's get to it. And select that one. Next one is this one. Yep. Okay, so it's like what, a 70% chance of getting a legendary? Yes, 70% chance of getting a legendary, 20% rare, 10% super. I swear, if I do not get a legendary, this is gonna be rigged. Please, legendary. Okay, good. Woo. Worked it there. Alright, registered license plate, 10 car, perfectly fine. Alright, so that is worth it. The reason why I fused a brand new car with an older car is because it said when you fuse cars, it takes the highest level of what each car that you fuse together, and your new car would be that. So I didn't want to fuse 2 of my old cars together, because then that would be pointless, fusing together 2 level 10s. So I just went ahead and fused a level 2 with the level 10, and yeah. So you do lose out on 1 extra race with the legendary instead of having 2 cars, but you save from having to pay for repairs on 2 cars. Now you only have to repair 1 car. So yeah, that's great. Oh yeah, so I forgot to mention, whenever you do fuse cars together, any of your rewards that you had in the 2 cars before will be up here in the rewards of sold cars. So yeah, this is where all the rewards of any of your other cars that you either sold or fused together, that's where they will put them. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Just a little short one, just showing me fusing these cars together and how the repair thing works. So if you have a car, if you fuse together a car with one needs to repair and one doesn't, then your legendary car will come out not having to be repaired. So that can save you a little bit in repair costs, if that's something you're into or whatever. But yeah, again, I will be making a video on, what did I say again? Oh, on my monthly. After I've been in cars for a month, I'll make a video on my earnings on that. I'm also in crypto planes, and I'm also in crypto guards. So you'll probably see some videos of me from those 2, and maybe the mobile app too. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later.